If you're in business, you need a website. No question about it. That is your digital home in the online space. And over the years, it's been challenging to do. You either had to pay an expert to build a website for you, somebody who knows coding and all of the technical stuff, or you had to learn that technical stuff yourself and spend hours putting together your own web pages. Fortunately for the non-techies in the crowd, there are now several options that allow for drag and drop website building. And not only that, there are a lot of free options. And in this video, we're going to look at some of the top free ways to build a website. First up, we have WordPress. Whether you're a blogger or a business owner, WordPress is a popular content management system that offers a wide range of free templates and plugins to customize your website. You can create a website without any coding knowledge and even purchase a domain name and web hosting to make your website more professional. For those of you saying, what's a domain name? Well, that's yourwebsitename.com or .net or whatever extension you choose. What's web hosting? Well, once you build your website, you have to have somebody make it available on the internet, and that's what web hosting services do. Next on the list of free website builders is Wix. Wix is a cloud-based website builder that offers a drag-and-drop interface to create a website. It provides a variety of templates and features like WordPress, and it offers e-commerce options and social media integration. Now, while you can use Wix for free, you do have to display their ads on your site. To remove those ads and get some additional features, you will have to pay to upgrade to a premium plan. Another popular website builder is Weebly. Weebly also offers a drag-and-drop interface, and it provides a variety of templates and features such as e-commerce and social media integration, similar to Wix. And you can also use Weebly for free, but like Wix, you do also have to display their ads on your site. Of course, to remove the ads and get more features, just like Wix, you'll have to upgrade to a premium Weebly plan. If you just need a simple, basic website, Google Sites is a free website builder that requires no coding. Like the others, it has a range of templates and features, but unlike the others, it's just not as customizable. So if you need a more complex website, this may not be your option. My favorite free website builder, and one that I use for most of my websites, is GroovePages. Like some of the others, it has an intuitive drag and drop system, so you don't need to know any coding. There are templates to choose from. It's mobile responsive. Page load speeds are amazing, which is terrific for SEO. That's search engine optimization, not to mention the user experience for your visitors. But what I love about GroovePages is it comes with other tools to help you build a complete sales funnel. So you don't have to go out and buy additional software for your email marketing, for selling products, for creating memberships. GroovePages is an all-in-one solution that you can get up and running for free. Now, of course, it has some great additional features that if you do buy into the premium plans, you get access to, but you don't have to get started. It really does have everything you need to get a website up and running easily and quickly at no cost. By the way, another great feature of GroovePages is you don't have to go out and get a separate hosting service. It's included in the package, so that's a tremendous advantage. So clearly, I'm biased towards GroovePages, but I'll put the links to all of these options in the description below so you can go check them out. I hope that helps you, and hey, if you like the video and subscribe to the channel, I really, really appreciate it. Have a great day.